Wrong. Wrong.
Wrong. Wrong. Wrong. Wrong. Wrongly.
To think or say something that is not correct.
I was wrong about the time. The shop closed at 7, not 8. You're wrong in thinking that Matt is from the States, he's Canadian.
In a way that is not correct.
You've spelt my name wrong.
Manager. Manager.
Management. Manager. Manage.
Someone in control of an office, shop, team, etc.
A bank manager. The production manager. She's the manager of the local sports club.
Cross. Cross.
Cross. Cross.
Cross. Cross. Crossing. Cross.
To go across from one side of something to the other.
It's not a good place to cross the road. Look both ways before you cross over the road. Cross the bridge and turn right at the first set of traffic lights. Yourself. Yourself. Yourselves.
The reflexive form of the pronoun you.
Be careful with that knife or you'll cut yourself. I hope you enjoy yourself.
Alone or without anyone else's help.
We didn't mean to leave you all by yourself. Can you lift it by yourself? Did you make the dress yourself? Future. Future.
In grammar, the form of the verb used when talking about something that will happen or exist.
In the sentence, who will look after the dog? The verb phrase will look is in the future. Borrow. Borrow.
To get or receive something from someone with the intention of giving it back after a period of time.
I've borrowed some CDs from Mike. She used to borrow money and not bother to pay it back.
History. History.
History. History.
History, historian, historic, historical, historically.
The whole series of events in the past which relate to the development of a country, subject, or person.
The Civil War was a terrible time in American history. What do you know about the history of jazz?
The study of events in the past.
He's very interested in modern European history. A history book.
To show. To show.
Show. Show.
A television or radio program or a theater performance.
A radio or television or stage show. A quiz or game show. Why don't we go to London on Saturday and see a show?
Hate. Hate.
Hate. Hate. Hate. Hatred. Hate.
To dislike someone or something very much.
Kelly hates her teacher. She hated the winter. I hate it when you do that. Earring. Earring.
A piece of jewelry that you wear on or through your ear.
Gold or silver earrings. A pair of earrings. He was wearing an earring in his left ear.
Horrible. Horrible.
Very unpleasant or bad.
He's got a horrible cold. What's that horrible smell? That was a horrible thing to say.
job, job,
Job. Job.
A particular piece of work.
The builders are aiming to get the job done by the end of the month. He spent the afternoon doing jobs around the house. Space. 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 Spacious.
An empty area which is available to be used.
Is there any space for my clothes in that cupboard? I've got to make some space for Mark's things. When the roads are wet, you've got to leave plenty of space between you and the car in front. Tidy. 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 Untidy.
Having everything ordered and arranged in the right place, or liking to keep things like this.
The house was clean and tidy. My flatmate isn't very tidy. Everything is very neat and tidy.
To make a place or a collection of things tidy.
Have you tidied your room, Isabel?
Brain. Brain.
Brain. Brain.
The organ inside your head that controls thought, memory, feelings and activity.
Doctors can measure activity in her brain. The accident left him with permanent brain damage. His wife died from a brain tumor.